Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 from the video that I released this morning, and I'm going to be unboxing another Kookaburra to add to my Kookaburra collection. I've got it just here. I'm actually in the process of drinking this whiskey. I did try to pronounce it on the first part of this video and it didn't go too well, so let me know how you pronounce it in the comment section. Gonna have another little sip. It's quite a light coloured whiskey. I do prefer my whiskey to look a little bit more goldeny. But it tastes alright. It does the job. But let's get straight into the video. Now this is the Kookaburra box that I'm storing my entire collection in. For those of you that missed part 1, I'll just show you how it looks. It's future proof. I believe it holds 45 coins in total. So this box is going to do me for a very long time. There's a new one released every single year, and I'm trying to complete this collection within 2 years. Really nice. These are the more premium ones in the bottom here. These are the older years, so they contain quite a larger premium compared to some of the newer ones. We're going to pop these back in. Close that for now. And let's have a look at what we have in here. Now this arrived a couple of weeks ago, so I'm not sure what year it is now. I can't remember what year this one is. Again, very nicely packaged. Brought this from eBay. I have actually gone off the idea of buying things on eBay from abroad after the whole eBay saga that I had. But a lot of these I had brought prior to that, and they're sitting in my collection ready to be unboxed. Nice in a bag. What year we got here? So this looks like it is 30th anniversary. This is really cool. So what year is it? 2020, I think it said. 30th anniversary. Really nice design. Quite a simple design. You've got a matte finish there. Got a little bit more going on than the one that we showcased in part 1. Got the Queen privy instead of having the Queen as a whole image. And that, I believe, is the very first year Kookaburra design, which is a really nice touch. 1990 is when they first started the series, up to 2020, which is this one. 30th anniversary. Really cool. We've actually got the 35th anniversary in this collection, which was 2025, which is this year's Kookaburra, which is really nice. That's also got a privy of the very first year's design on there. Again, really nice coin. But let's add the 2020 into the collection, and that is actually on the very first tray, so that is nice and easy. Pop that out. Pop this tray back in. There we go. And let's get this capsule ready. There we go. And let's see how easy this capsule is to open it. Has it got any of those little grooves in it to open it? No, I don't think it does. But it looks like it's a little bit loose this side anyway, so that's good. I can actually get my nails into it. There we go. Oh, let's have a look at this a little bit closer before we put it in the new capsule. Look at that. Really nice proof-like finish around the border. What a stunning design. Got the P down there to represent Perth Mint. I'm not sure what the initials are over here. Let me know if you know what they are. JM. That might be the designer of the coin, but let me know in the comment section if you know. I'm just going to clean this capsule a little bit. It's got a little bit of dust inside it. Give me 1 second. Let's transfer it in like that. Let's have another little look at this side. Look at that. Really, really nice. I really like this one. I like the fact that you've got the large design in the middle. Makes it a little bit special. Let's pop the capsule on. I'm actually just going to clean this side as well, because this is a little bit dusty as well on the inside. There we go. Put the capsule on top. Absolutely stunning. And that is another Kookaburra added to the collection. Now this one, like I said, goes at the top of the tray over here. And there we go. That is the first tray up to date now. We've got the 2020, the 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and then, like I just showed you, the 2025 there as well. So all looking very good. Let me know in the comment section which is your favourite out of these 6 that you can see on the screen. I think personally my favourite is this one. I do think that design is really, really nice. I've always liked the 2022. I just think it looks really good. I love the font of the Kookaburra. I love the way it's sitting on a perch. Just looks really nice, that one, I think. But there we go. Thanks very much for watching. Another Silver Kookaburra added to the collection. That is 2 added in one day. Not many left now. Let's have a quick look how many we have left to complete the whole entire collection. So on this tray we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we only need 15 to complete the whole collection. So we're really getting through this fast, a lot faster than I thought. I'm only picking these up when I see them for a nice price. Most of these I've got from eBay. I have got some from Stackers Social on the marketplace, but a lot of them I've been getting from eBay. But there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see the Kookaburra that I unboxed this morning, please look back at my previous videos. But as always, thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.